Hey guys, look at this. Look at this crazy shit right here. I can't believe I'm seeing this with my own eyes. Look at this. Look at those bulldozers right there. Dude, this lunatic just jumped into some bulldozer and started wrecking that apartment. Look at that. Dude, look what he did to it. Dude, I'm about to call 911, but first I want to get this video out there to everybody out there. This is crazy. Look at this. It's like the bulldozer guy in Colorado, but it's in Ohio. That is crazy. Look what he did to that damn building. Look. Oh my, how many people have died? Look, they're just knocking this shit down. There's people's lives are living there. What about the children? This is fucking insane. Look at this guy. He does with reckless abandon. This guy's just fucking this apartment building. I guess these assholes are next. What? Well, hey, after you're done over here, you can fuck this place off too. Kinda not. Look at that. Oh my God. Look at him with his beady eyes. Look, can you see it? Look. You see him? His beady eyes just destroying that building. Look at that. That is sick. That is sick. Look what he did. Look what, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. People dead. Oh my God, I gotta call the cops. I gotta call the police. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go. I gotta go. You gotta believe.